thing, and the clothes say, alright, they took my name. Happy wife, happy life.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey people, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. It's your girl Deezer. So guys, I think today we're just gonna do a daily vlog, show you what we get up to today. We don't really have much planned. Going to the bank. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, by the way, and we're up. I'm gonna get ready. Outlaw's getting ready because you know how the bank thing goes already. Early bird catch the first worm. So you know we have to be up early. We have to be lining up at that bank. We're trying to get to the bank for about, I don't know, maybe just after 7. The bank opens at 8:45, and we are trying to get to the bank for like 7:30 to just queue up, get a place, and get through as quickly as we can. So bank this morning, run a few little errands. I may go to register for my NIS, okay, for my NIS, and that's so that I can pay my voluntary tax to Jamaica. Okay, so all my taxes are going through the UK at the moment, so I might go to the NIS office and bring you with us and show you that whole process. And yeah, just running through errands, and I don't know what's going on for the rest of the day. So let's see what happened, guys. Come along with us. See you in a short while. Okay, say morning to the people.
Manners and prayers, peeps.
Yes. Okay, so guys, we've just arrived.
datmisehtv.
We've just arrived at the bank. Guys, can you believe there is nobody here? Like, empty. So people, it's almost 8 o'clock. I'm still at the bank. The security guard has just turned up. And what happens out here now in the banks in Jamaica is that when the security guard turns up, he gives you a number. So because I came so early, I got number 2. So I'll be the second person to be able to go inside the bank to see the teller. Guys, you have to come to the bank early to get a number, because people, let me tell you, half an hour from now, out there is not good. So there could be all 30, 40 people waiting. You know, that's all day business. So you have to come early to get a low number, ticket number. So I'm number 2. So I've still got another 45 minutes to wait until the bank is even open. But I just want to make sure that I've got my ticket, so when the bank opens, I can just get through. See Outlaw there in the back, sitting on the boot, having a drink. I'm having a smoke. Yeah. Okay, guys, soon come. While I'm waiting, you know me, guys. You know me. What can you see? Patty. Not leaving my patty. Yeah. You see Outlaw there. He's telling me I didn't, do his breadfruit. So talk to the people then.
Yeah, I'm gonna roast breadfruit later on. I'm tell you what I'm going with the breadfruit later now. When you get to the breadfruit later on, another kettle of fish peeps. So tell about that.
So he's just bought a breadfruit.
Yeah,
$300 for the yellow heart breadfruit.
Yeah.
So he's going to be roasting that later. That's for dinner. So I've just finished in the bank, people. It's now 8:49. Remember, the bank opens at 8:45. My ticket number was 2, so it literally took me just a few minutes to go in and out, literally in and out. Yeah. Less than 5 minutes.
Beautiful.
Yeah, almost less than 5 minutes really. It's in and out. They called my ticket number.
You have to wait an hour, or maybe an hour and a half to get that time in there.
Yeah. If you're prepared to wait an hour, hour and a half before, you'll get through. Right now, out there's not good.
Right now.
So now we are off to the NIS office.
Yeah.
I hope it's not going to be full. What do you think?
Maybe not. You don't have people and government is the problem.
People and government problem. So like I said to you guys earlier, I'm trying to sort out my tax. I need to get my NIS card, so let's go up there. We also need to go to the tax office, but the tax office is not normal either. The tax office is like the bank. Best know you need to get there early. We're gonna pass. If we pass and it's not too bad, we'll stop. We have to go to the tax office because this one here did something he wasn't supposed to do. What did you do? Drive. And what happened? Why do we need to go to the tax office? Tell the people then. What happened, mate?
What happened? Oh, ticket. Okay, seatbelt. We never have a seatbelt, people. We can't believe.
Yeah, see, look, he's got it on.
That's something for copy of $500.
Yeah, to be honest, I'm going to give him his props because he has been doing so much better with the seatbelt thing. You know, I just think it's a culture in Jamaica of not wearing a seatbelt, but he has been looking him there. Yeah, as he comes in, he puts on the seatbelt. He just got caught short that time. So it's a $500 fine.
You have to pay for learn.
good. Pays to learn. So he's got to go and pay $500
Alright, I'm not even my earn.
Oh gosh, well.
Still I look something for turn. Wow.
You have to pay your fines. So if the tax office is not full today, we will stop there also. Yeah.
What's going on?
Let's see what's going on.
Get government out of my life.
Yeah. You can never get the government out of your life. There'll always be there some.
Remember, I never vote for me ban, you know, so I'm not even sure if the government knows me in the country.
Of course they know you're in the country because you're registered on certain things, so.
I don't know if they know, they're not giving me money, but they're going to give me none.
So, don't go there. Don't get.
I never get none, so I don't know if they know something there.
This is the care package he's talking about, guys. He's talking about
I am working with the #1 income for the country.
Tourism.
Tourism.
Yeah.
Tourism people.
Yeah. So at the beginning of the pandemic, the government were giving away some care packages. I guess you can call it like a stimulus, but they only gave away one payment, and everybody got a different amount depending on your category. And at the time, he was working in the tourism industry, so he was meant to get about $40,000. He didn't get anything. But people, I got.
You can't believe that?
I got.
You can't believe she gets?
I got $10,000 from the government because I wasn't working at the time, and I applied for it and I got it. And he's like, but he's born and grow here. Government don't give him nothing. I just come and they give me something.
The best dual citizen have a better chance than me in Jamaica.
Well, yeah.
So people are not free for coming along. Government response to them take good care of one another. You're not me, but I'll be there a long time. Maybe because I never vote.
Well, I haven't voted either. Remember?
No, but you're welcome.
So this is the Ministry of Social Security building, office building. It's very modern. Yeah. So let's go inside and see. People, we came, but we came after the bank. It's like after 9 now, but
just like the bank, you want to get you earlier to come early.
Yeah, there's a bit of a queue, and I'm a little impatient. So he says. I don't really like to wait, so security just said that it opens 7:30 in the morning. So we're going to come back, people. We're going to come back, but we'll fill you when we come back. We'll let you know.
Come early in the morning.
You have to come early in the morning.
Just like the bank.
Alright, people, so we've just left from around the Ministry of Social Security and Labour. Now we are going to have a look at the tax office. Oh Lord. Now I see people already, people.
Yeah,
we can't manage this.
People already look across the free, and you see, understand what I said to you?
No, look
at people. Tax office that.
Can't manage that. Can't manage that right now. This is where I'm meant to be going. People, I can't.
That's the tax office right now, people.
And the time is only 11 minutes past 9. 11 minutes past 9 at the tax office. What time does the office open? About 8:30?
The tax office open up about 8 o'clock, 8:30. Yeah, something like that.
8:30.
About 8:30, yeah. And people did us from about 5:30 this morning.
Yeah.
I tell you.
Oh gosh. So people, do you see that any business place you go, you have to get there early? And Outlaw and I were just saying, you know that you can't do multiple things in one day. Like we had the bank to go to, we had the NIS office or the Social Security office to go to, we had the tax office to go to. Those 3 things today. We can't do all in the same day, because if you don't get to the office early, you're not going to get through. If
you have 5 important things to do, you have to do them one day at a time.
Yeah, it's just time consuming, people. So really all we managed to get done is the bank, because we got to the bank early. The other 2 we just have to abandon them.
Because the crowd you're not going to get through for now.
That's right. So tomorrow now we're going to have to decide, do we come to the tax office, do we go to the Social Security office?
One of them, but you have to do it early in the morning.
Then the next day we have to decide to go and do another one.
That's the thing, that's what the business set up in Jamaica right now.
So it's just so what you could do in one day, it's just, it takes a whole week to get done.
5 different things which is important, that is 5 different days.
Yeah.
Try and get there early.
Yeah.
That's how the thing set up.
So guys, this is one of my dislikes. But what can you do? This is how it is, right? So have to just deal with it. So we'll be back out tomorrow to try and get something sorted out. Yeah.
Getting back to the point.
Yeah.
Nah, these things. Yes, people, manners and prayers to that we say. Anything we say, that we say. Give a thanks. Yeah.
Look there, people, Scotiabank. Just to show you. Look how full
You see where you go this morning? You see where you go this morning?
Yeah.
That's there. See it?
9:37 and look at the queue. People, so I'm going over there that blue store Napa Variety to go and pick up a few hair products. And then Outlaw's gonna check in this haberdashery, Remy haberdashery, for the clothesline. Yeah, hopefully he gets it there. So I just got some hair products, hair gel, Eco Gel. Everyone knows about the Eco Gel. Eco Gel, got some wax and a pack of 3 masks, $100 for 3 masks, and a black one in there. And I just got this little like body cologne spray thing. Yeah. Now we are trying to find the. We're trying to find the
out here.
Still, yeah, still trying to find this. Oh gosh, clothesline, wire clothesline, not rope. So guys, we're back. I think is it just after 10 o'clock? Just after 10, so we're off the road early. And as he comes in, see what you got in your plate? Rice and what else?
2 fish.
Brown stew fish from yesterday's dinner. Look, that was left in the pot.
People don't know that's something about, don't?
Yeah.
I'm even telling them about it.
Yesterday's dinner always tastes better the day after. Is that right?
Yesterday?
Yeah. I already had my patty, so I'm good.
That's something in Sunday, Monday. You know me I talk about?
Yeah.
Good. You know say, I set up the clothesline. Because to me I will have one line and can't hold a portion of nothing with us. Actually, yes, Steve, I set up the clothesline because she can't put out her clothes there. Officially.
So, we just have one line at the moment, as you can see. But one line, more time is not enough, especially when you want to wash out your bed sheets and stuff and hang them out. So can you see where the line is tied to? It's tied to the mango tree in our garden. So this mango tree has multiple uses. Not only to bear the lovely mangoes, but to facilitate our washing line. Our clothesline.
Mango, I think we have a few mango on the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, check it and cover.
So this is a young tree, right?
Yeah, young mango.
This is a young mango tree, so it's not, you know, fully matured, so we don't get a lot of mangoes. But people, look here. What do we have here? Some young mangoes. They're not ready yet, but look. I was so excited when I saw this, because these are the only mangoes on the tree at the moment. Some more will come through. But yeah, look people, I can't wait for these to be ready, to pick them and eat them. Yeah. So this is our first time picking mangoes off this tree. We haven't been here long, to be honest. We haven't been at this house for a very long time. A fairly short while. So this is our first time seeing mangoes on this tree. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Best thing to have a mango tree in your back garden, honestly.
Yes, me people. So the thing's set up.
So he's busy. I don't know what he's doing now. Still in the tree, people. Oh, okay. So.
Okay, the tree.
You see him climbing there. Remember, you're not young again, you know. Man, you hurt yourself.
Yeah, just so far.
People, you know we're outside, so you know what that means.
Yeah.
Okay, so he's just, I don't know what he's doing really.
Yeah, just put next space, we put 2 more lines. Yeah, I put that up in there. So this is one.
This is one line.
You know, the whole time something that go, each up in our tree, are we good? And 2 slack.
Tighten it a bit more.
Yeah.
People, he's in the tree.
Yeah.
Oh, there's bees in here. I don't want to get stung.
What these?
Bee just passed me.
Yeah. So one line.
That's one line.
On the side.
Okay. So see the line there, people. That's one line. You can see it good, yeah. So I'm taking all kind of stuff off him from in the tree.
So the thing's set up.
Right. So guys, we couldn't get to get the wire one, so we had to just do the rope one for now. Rope line.
That's for now.
So we're gonna put this now.
Same place.
On that side?
Yeah.
On this side here?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, you can see the other line is gonna go right here. So I can have 2 lines.
Yeah.
You know, people, you know you're getting old when you're excited about having an extra washing line in your back garden. But when you're younger, you don't business about these things. But when you're older, it's the simple things in life that satisfy you, right? So having an extra line is like the best thing for me right now.
Yes, people, see the people, they have 1 line, and we have 3. She have multiple lines to do everything what she want for the no peeps. Yes, what's up, man? So she start thinking about everything, and make sure that she's alright. That's her name. Happy wife, happy life. If you don't stay stuff for she's not normal at all, people. Thin skin just like Bat Bango tree, yes, sir. You should not put this night still, but I don't know nothing that.
You know me well. So people, watch Countryman Outlaw. Countryman Outlaw sitting on the back step of the garden. Can you see him? Back step of the garden, cleaning some ackee. Cleaning.
Ackee. And chicken back.
You hear that, people? Ackee and chicken back.
Fry up chicken back with ackee.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.